Algorand value equivalent to $0.1985 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $19.51 to 2012. The earlier day close, 1982. The change was plus 15%. Opposite rate, ICE to Algo. Algorand estimate for July 2024. To start with, cost at $23. Exorbitant costs $29, while low costs $23. The normal for the month $26. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $27. Change for July 17.4%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $27. Excessive cost $27, while low cost $21. The normal for the month $25. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $23. Change for August 14.8%. Algorand gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $23. Exorbitant cost $29, while low costs $23. The normal for the month $26. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $27. Change for September 17.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $27. Excessive costs $33, while low costs $27. The normal for the month $30. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $31. Change for October 14.8%. Algorand estimate for November 2024. To start with, cost at $31. Exorbitant costs are $35, while low costs are $31. The normal for the month $33. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $33. Change for November 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.33. Excessive costs are $40, while low costs $33. The normal for the month $36. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $37. Change for December 1%. Algorand gauge for January 2025. To start with, cost at $37. Exorbitant costs in $41, while low costs are $35. The normal for the month $38. Algorand cost figured toward the month's end $38. Change for January 7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $38. Excessive costs in $42, while low costs are $36. The normal for the month $39. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $39. Change for February 6%. Algorand gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at $39. Exorbitant costs on $44, while low costs $38. The normal for the month $41. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $41. Change for spring 1%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $0.41. Excessive costs on $46, while low costs are $40. The normal for the month $43. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $43. Change for April 9%. Algorand gauge for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at $43. Exorbitant cost $48, while low costs on $42. The normal for the month $45. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $45. Change for May 7%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place, cost at $45. Exorbitant costs $49, while low costs on $43. The normal for the month $46. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $46. Change for June 2%. Algorand gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at $46. Exorbitant costs are $50, while low costs on $44. The normal for the month $47. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $47. Change for July 2%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at $0.47. Excessive costs $59, while low costs are $47. The normal for the month $52. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $55. Change for August 17%. Algorand estimate for September 2025. To start with, cost at $0.55. Exorbitant costs are $55, while low costs are $43. The normal for the month $50. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.46, change for September 16 4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $0.46. Excessive costs at 46, while low costs 36. The normal for the month $42. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $39. Change for October 15 2%. Algorand conjecture for November 2025. In the first place, cost at $39. Exorbitant costs on 43, while low costs are 37. The normal for the month $40. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $40. Change for November 6%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $40. Excessive costs on 49, while low costs are 40. The normal for the month $44. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $46. Change for December 15%. Algorand gauge for January 2026. To start with, cost at $46. Exorbitant costs 46, while low costs are 36. The normal for the month $42. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $39. Change for January 15 2%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at $39. Exorbitant cost on 45, while low costs 39. The normal for the month $41. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $42. Change for February 7%. Algorand estimate for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at $42. Exorbitant costs in 42, while low costs are 33. The normal for the month $38. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $35. Change for spring 7%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place, cost at $35. Excessive costs 35, while low costs 27. The normal for the month $32. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $29. Change for April 1%. Algorand conjecture for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $29. Exorbitant costs 29, while low costs 22. The normal for the month $26. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $24. Change for May 2%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at $24. Excessive costs 27, while low costs 23. The normal for the month $25. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $25. Change for June 2%. Algorand conjecture for July 2026. At the outset, cost at $25. Excessive costs 25, while low cost 21. The normal for the month $284. Algorand cost